Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken leg broth. First, gather your ingredients. About 3 pounds of chicken legs, fresh vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions, plus aromatics such as bay leaves and peppercorns. Roasting the chicken legs beforehand adds incredible depth. Place everything into a large pot, cover with cold water, and prepare for a gentle simmer. This simple start ensures a flavorful foundation. For the best broth, select about 3 pounds of bone-in chicken legs. These provide excellent collagen and flavor. You'll also need 2 medium carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 1 large onion, roughly chopped. Don't forget 2 bay leaves and 1 teaspoon of whole black peppercorns for aromatic notes. Finally, cover all your ingredients with approximately 12 cups of cold water. Once your pot is on the stove, bring it to a very gentle simmer. It's important not to boil vigorously. As it heats, you'll notice foam rising. Skim this off periodically for a clearer broth. Maintain a low, consistent heat, allowing the flavors to meld slowly. Let it simmer for at least 4 hours, and for an even richer result, up to 8 hours is ideal. After simmering, it's time to strain your beautiful broth. Carefully pour the entire contents of the pot through a fine mesh sieve, ideally lined with cheesecloth, into a clean bowl. Discard all the cooked solids. Let the broth cool completely at room temperature before transferring it to airtight containers. It will keep well in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or freeze for longer storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.